Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and a new day means a new video. So y'all, in today's video I am going to show you guys how I get this look. And before we get into the video, this look is inspired by the song Sunflower, and it's from the movie Sierra Burgess is a Loser. So this is the song. Stretching toward the sky like I don't care. Wishing you could see me sitting there. 'Cause I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you... That is enough of this song, y'all. But anyway, this is what this look is inspired by. I was watching the movie and I feel like I relate to Ciara, like this character, so much that it's not about hating yourself. It's about like not feeling comfortable in your own skin. And this song is what it is about. You know, it's like a rose is like beautiful, but a sunflower is also beautiful. But when you go to a store, you will not pick a sunflower, you pick a roses. So I decided to create a look about this song. And if you guys want to know how I got it, you should stay tuned and find out. And don't forget, if you do create it, tag me on Instagram. I have my Instagram down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's just get started. Okay y'all, so to start this look, we are going to go with the Dark Tan Pro eyeshadow palette, and we are going to go with the color on thread, on trend. Now guys, we are going to cut the crease, and I'm using the Dark Tan concealer, my all-time favorites. You guys already know that because I talk about it all the time. So yeah, so I'm going to use the concealer and cut the crease. Okay, once your crease is cut, you can like set it, or you can just leave it like so, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm just not going to set it because I want the yellow to pop out on this. So my nose ring, guys, is itching, so I'm gonna be doing this like constantly, like chop chop to fix it. So I'm just gonna go with the yellow on the Dalton Cosmetic, on the BS Cosmetic Turn Back to Brazil palette. Nice. Okay, this lighting made me look so white. This like black lipstick right here. I have no idea where it is from, so just bear with me. And I'm going to try and create a wing liner. Like, that's the only thing. It's really hard for me to create a wing liner because I do not know why. It's just, I find it really hard. Ooh. Okay, I killed it, y'all. I freaking killed. I'm so fucking proud of myself right now. Y'all have no idea. Like, it's always so hard for me to do a wing liner, and look at this. This is match. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go and do the other eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So now I am back. Both eyes are done, and I'm going to use this highlight to like kind of cut the crease. Because I want it to like have life and not look boring. And like a really bright pink. You know. With the Dalton concealer under the eyes, the nose, forehead. Just to contour a little bit. I'm just gonna go with my Real Beauty highlights, and this highlight is cruelty free, so this is my favorite brush. So I line my lip, and then I smudge out the black, and then I use the MAC lip gloss, and this is the color A97. I really love this lip gloss, and kind of look good. This is the fresh, you know, but anyway, it look okay in my opinion. Kind of loving it. So y'all, I think I'm gonna do like some sunflowers here, one here and then one here. I think I'm all set because I don't want to do. Oh my god, this literally took me longer than I expected. Like the struggle when you're not an artist. So you gotta do what you gotta do. But anyway, y'all, this is the finished look. I kind of love the pink I put right there. Kind of pop the look out more.